Hey everybody, it's Suzanne from the State Library. Today I'm going to quickly show you how to use the new kit booking system. If you would like a video with more details, we have another one that's longer. You can take a look at that one. This is what our new system looks like. It's through LibCal. Up here at the top, there's a lot of options that you can take a look at. Under location, you can book kits through the Indiana Young Reader Center or the Professional Development Office. This video is really about the Indiana Young Reader Center kits. Under category, you can limit by the various kinds of kits that we have. We have book club kits, Storytime kits, Lego and Duplo kits, and escape experience kits. You can also narrow your search by using the search box. For example, if you just want to take a look at our Spanish book club kits, you can type in the word Spanish, and it's going to return all records that have the word Spanish in them. We have some book club kits in Spanish. We also have a couple escape room kits that are bilingual. And then we have other words that just have Spanish in the record as a keyword. This information at the top is really important. This talks about who can use our system, people who work in libraries in Indiana, and teachers who teach in Indiana schools. And it also talks about how long you can receive your kit. The very important thing about this system is that when you book your kit, you need to add 2 weeks to the front of your reservation to account for shipping. We have a help to remind you to do that. I'll show you that later. In order to book your kit, you just find the kit that you're interested in. You can see a lot more information about the kit here in the record, and then you're going to use this availability table at the bottom of the page. The first 14 days are always going to be whited out. You do have to plan ahead to book kits. You can't book a kit today and get it tomorrow. So the first day that we could get this kit is Saturday the 22nd. But remember, that's the day that it would ship from the state library. You really do need to think ahead. The availability table is pretty nice because you see the current kit that you're working on, and then you actually see all the other kits that we have. So if the current kit that you want isn't available, you can easily find another kit that you could book. If this is too overwhelming to you, you can go ahead and close out the bottom part of the table. Say you want this kit as soon as possible. You're going to go ahead and click on the first available day, and it's going to open up this little box at the bottom. We've got the title of the book, and we have the day that it will ship, and then the day that it needs to be back at the state library. These times don't mean anything. You can ignore them. You're going to add it to your cart and check out. The other thing I want you to know is that you can change the return date. Suppose we want to do a book club in May. We're going to be done with it by June. We can change that return date so that we can return it earlier and somebody else can get a turn having it. That looks great. Now we're going to add it to our cart and check out. The other video talks about this button, how you can add it to your cart and then add other things to your cart. The quick version is that you can put multiple things in your cart, but only if you're going to be checking them out for the same dates. So for now, we're just going to add this to our cart and check out. From here, we get the booking form. The booking form is pretty easy. You put in your first name, your last name, your email, and your work phone number, and then you choose where you want the kit shipped to. All of our kits get shipped through Info Express. If your library happens to not be listed here and you know you have Info Express, just let us know and we'll get it added. You can add a note to yourself. That will be emailed to you in your confirmation email. Then you have to make a selection here. I'm shipping my kit to the location where I work. If you work at a public library, the answer to this is probably yes. If you work at a school, the answer might be no. If you select no, it's going to open up an additional box that says, I'm shipping my kit to a location where I do not work. However, I have a contact there. It's very important that whoever is going to physically receive the kit knows that it's coming. So reach out to your public library to make sure you have a contact there. Once you do, you can put their name and their email address in this box. Then we have this additional help. Did you add 2 weeks to the front of your booking to account for shipping? Yes, we did. If you select no, you'll be prompted to go back and add 2 weeks to your reservation so that you get your kit on time. From there, you can agree to the terms and conditions. You can open those up to take a look at them, and then you can just click Submit My Booking. Once your booking is submitted, you'll get this confirmation page. You'll also get an email confirming your booking. That's the long and the short of it. Keep watching for a couple more details. Okay, I want to quickly show you just a couple of things about the Storytime Kits. If you click on Storytime Kits, it's going to show you all the Storytime Kits. You can search by STEM. In order to see the big idea Storytime Kits, they have this little gear in the corner, which is nice. And just like the book club kits, when you click into the record, you can see all the books that are in the Storytime Kit and the other items that are included as well. The Lego and Duplo kits are slightly different. We have Lego kits and Duplo kits. And if you click into that record, you'll see an extended availability grid here at the bottom. And that's because we have multiple Duplo kits and multiple Lego kits, but they're all identical. Say we want a Duplo kit, we're going to add that to our cart. And then we also want a Lego kit. We're going to add that to our cart and check out. Now we have a Duplo kit and a Lego kit in our cart for the same dates. Lastly, I'm going to show you the escape experience kits. We have 6 narratives in our escape experiences, but we have 4 copies of each kit. When you click into these records, there's information about the escape experience, and then underneath that, in the availability grid, you can see the 4 copies that we have. You can slide this in order to see the numbers of the kit. Ooh, I forgot to show you this calendar. In all of the booking grids, there's this go to date here where you can book out further in the future. Say we want an escape experience kit for June 1st. There are some available, which is great, but we forgot to add 2 weeks. So we're going to go to our date. 2 weeks before June 1st is the 18th. We're going to choose the 16th just to be safe and say we really want the genealogy kit. It's available. We're good to go. We could click that, add it to the cart and check out, fill out the booking form, and we'll be on our way. Thanks so much for taking a look at the short video. As a reminder, there's a longer video that's going to cover more details. We hope you love this system.